Alright, what's up, guys? We just did the gym. Now I gotta do a 2-on-2 fight with Don against Team Galactic. Alright, here we are. Look at this. Bot did no damage. My God. Oh, that's super effective. He's probably gonna use a flying move on me. Oh, I guess not. Oh wait, that's neutral. I forgot I'm second. Dang, bro. Megatite is really that bad. I probably need to throw it away. Actually, I probably can get higher stuff in the Grand Underground because I haven't been there since like around the second gym, and I got my third badge. What are those? So after this, I'll go to the Grand Underground, do some team building, probably. Well, after I fight Team Galactic. Well, I don't know. I don't even know when the next gym is. Hold up. Use Smackdown on Beautyfly, and then I'm gonna use Bulldoze after because I'm pretty sure that I won't be immune to ground anymore after Smackdown. She better have another Pokemon. I think she's a starter. Or not. Oh, I'm special. Oh, I didn't even realize I had Mega Drain. So I couldn't even get a hit off. Oopsie daisies. I'll go to Tim. Like, my entire team pretty much is good against these, so it doesn't really matter that died. Oh, wait, she did get the starter weak against me. Come on, go to the hit Dust. So I should hit the Dustox now, because the Beautyfly's dead. Alright, Birching. I wonder what level it evolves. I think it's 36. I'm pretty sure it's 36. Okay, cool. No, I think they have one more each. Probably. Because I think they have two. Mind Reader? I don't even know what that does. Use the senses target. I don't have any lower accuracy moves, so I don't. Like, if I like focus punch on that would be a good combo, I think. Oh, I can one shot that probably. Oh, low battery. Oh wait, hold up. I'll pull the charger. Hold up. I got the wrong charger. I got the one that doesn't work. Alright, I'm good now. Let's keep playing. It's fine. And then... So Staravia evolves level 34, I think. So this is actually probably before the next gym. Because it's already 31, and like, you can level up fast in this game. It's already my highest level Pokemon, so that's crazy. Because I literally used it non-stop around the fighting gym. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick cut. I'll be right back. And let's see. Actually, where do I need to go? Store, that's south. Okay, I'll be like at, I don't know. I'll probably be like go right at the south gate. Can I fly now? I think I'm pretty. I thought I could fly. I don't even know. But I'm gonna go right to the south. Actually, I don't even have the fly TM. I'm gonna probably look up where fly is and go to the south and go to the gate, and I'm gonna heal and I'll be right there. Alright guys, so I'm about halfway to Pastoria, and I also did go to the Grand Underground and I caught a Mischievous, but I still don't have anything for water, which I would like to change still because I'm pretty sure the water jump next. Well, I think I can go back to it. I think I can actually skip it and go back to do the ghost one first, which I might do if I can't find anything good against water. And then after that, the stuff in the Grand Underground should be high level again, so I'm gonna go down and catch something else down there. Let him. Alright, and then I'm gonna go to Pastoria. And then see if there's any storage stuff I gotta do, and then just go right into the next gym. Oh, what's up, Nolan? And the Mischievous is also like really good. For the well, I'd say that, and then nothing was red, but it's fine. That doesn't do anything. I'll just kill it here. I actually was gonna get a Zubat, but the Zubat literally can't have Poison Fang because of the level it's at. It can't be 25 or lower, and so even though Poison Fang is the 4th most recent move, so when you catch stuff, like, it should have it, but the stuff in the Grand Underground always says the 3 most recent moves and Egg move, so it won't have Poison Fang, so it won't have a Poison move until like level 40. So it was pretty much useless. So it would have been better to catch it before the fighting gym, but it's too late. So I still need to get something to replace Staravia, because that's most definitely not staying because it has a terrible nature. And I used a Staraptor Platinum. I take that easy. Oh, interesting. Leech Seed still goes when something else comes in, so that's cool. I didn't know that. Well, I mean, I forgot about that, probably. I haven't even seen Leech Seed used a lot since, like, the Let's Goes. Alrighty. Bro, what? Wait, did I not? Oh my god, bro. This is taking too long. It should just die here. Alright, good. Alright, guys. Depending on how close Pastoria is, I'm probably just gonna cut straight there, and then you guys will see. And then you guys will probably be there for the gym fight. And then that should be it. Oh, yeah, I'm not even close. Alright, guys. I'm gonna cut straight there. See you there. Alright, guys. We made it to Pastoria. And I checked. We can't do the other gym yet. And there's literally nothing we can do except for the gym right now. Unless I want to go to the Great Marsh. Which I don't. So I'm gonna get ready to fight this. And we're gonna give it a shot. Let's go with Tim. Hopefully we can get this one. Depending on time and what's next, we might be able to do Fantina's gym in this episode as well. If not, then she'll be in the next episode. Probably the main thing. What's that do? Oh, cool. I'll fight this kid. Same as the last one, I'm probably going to fight all the trainers first. And then go from there. Wait. Oh, it's on level 26? Wait, what? That's like not even, that's not even higher level than the last one. Well, maybe a little bit, but like not, like, by a lot. I need this thing to be evolved already, because Staravia, it doesn't get any more moves, so I think it's needed to get something to evolve first. Well, it only needs one more level now, but like, I want it to evolve quickly. Especially if this is going to be what I'm using for the gym leader, then I'm going to need it. I want it evolved by then. Take down. Well, as I'm talking about, not getting all the moves. I'll try that. Well, tackle is really useless when we have quick attack, so I think takedown's fine to have, but I don't like it. It could be good in certain situations where we need a powerful stab move, but you know, I don't know. I don't see a reason to even fight him, so I'm just gonna not. Okay, let's try this. Go back this way. Okay, can fight him. I think I'm just gonna figure this out as I go along because I don't even know the puzzle. It's kind of similar to Ness's puzzle, Sword and Shield. I can kill that. Good. Actually, maybe I should fight that fisherman to get more XP. Because if there's any more trainers when I can get to the gym leader and I haven't evolved this yet, then I'm gonna fight the rest of the trainers. Oh, okay, I'll go this way. I already fought him. If I heard nope, let's do it. I can kill that. It's not that good. Might work, no reaction. That should get a lot of XP. Or more than they zero did, at least. Oh, it's harder to kill. Did I has player off this early? It's only the 4th gym. Might work. Let's see what's up this way. That dude. Does the green rise it or lower it? The green does lower it. So I can't go backwards. I can go up here. No, I can't. I'll go this way. Screen button's gotta do something different. I had to unlock something, right? Yeah, I can go down here now. This is why I need a grass type, because Shellos gets whooped by grass types. I don't know if the puzzle saves when I leave, because if so, then I'm gonna need to go heal. Because I don't think it did for fighting, so I don't want to risk it. Let's go. Is that crit or no? Oh. That's cool. That's why I love it. Wait a minute. Can I just go to? Oh, that's cool. I will fight him now, just in case I can get a Staraptor, but if not, it's fine because I have 5 other fully restored Pokemon. And a box. You can actually go straight to your box in this game. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get it. That's fine. I'll just fight him with Staravia. Or with any other Pokemon. I know he has a Gyarados, so that's gonna be scary. Dang it. I can kill it here. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, not even close. Alright, that's fine. We'll just fight him here. I do have the Shockwave team, so I'll see if anything can learn that before we fight him. Actually, I think Vision might be able to. Where is it? Shockwave. Oh, it can. I have 2 of them. I'll use it. Oh, drop me and look. Hex? I have no hexes left. That's crazy. I'll drop me and look. Because I've never used it and I don't plan on using it. Alright, I'm going to lead with it now. And if he leads with a water ground type, then I'll switch into something. I don't know. Sorry for the cut. I was going to the bathroom and I accidentally forgot to hit record for a couple of seconds. But anyways, he does lead with Gyarados, so I Shockwave. That didn't even kill it. Wow. Oh no. Oh my god. I'm living. Probably pretty much just kill it now, right? Yeah. That's good to get it out of the way because I think that was his best mon. Alright, what's next? Quagsire. Alright, this is tough. Ooh. Bulbabeam's neutral, so I'm gonna try that. Depending on where we're at on time, this might be the end of the episode. I mean, you guys will probably know depending on how long it's left of the video, but depending, we might go and do the next gym. Oh, that actually helps me. I could probably kill it now in one more hit. Alright, cool. What's next? Float Soul, I think. I think Float is the last thing. Which is kind of scary because I don't know what I have for that. Wait, is it a physical attacker or a special attacker? I would understand, but like, depending on what, if it's a physical or special attacker, I'm pretty sure it's a physical attacker, but it might have special moves. Wait. Dang it. If that, I couldn't remember if that was one that boosts special attack. If so, then I would have used it. Honestly, wait a minute. That probably is the best attack right now, right? Because 65 times 1.5 for stab times 1.5, so it's almost times 2 actually, and then a cut in half. So probably that still is way more than Peck and Metal Clutch resisted. But this is with the rain and stab boost, even though it's resisted, so it should do a good amount of damage. That's okay. Probably that's about a quarter. If I get a crit, that'd be big. I killed in 3 more. 2 more if I get a crit. I'm gonna have to switch out after. I probably have to do 1 more and then I switch. Or actually I heal. Wait, I might be able to kill this turn. Oh, never mind, it has a berry. This will be 2 more. I think 2 more will kill it. So there's one. Oh, ice. Where did that come from? Do I live another hit now? I can't, bro. There's no way. Oh, wait. I got a crit. Wait, how did I not get a crit? I don't even know. I don't even know how I killed it without a crit, but I got the win. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a Staraptor right now, too. Let's go. So that's probably going to be it for this episode. Depending on what's in between this and Fantina's gym, I might just be like right at the gym when the next episode starts, and that'll be the beginning of the episode. But who knows? And if this one does end up being shorter, then the next one's probably gonna be posted tomorrow. Oh, close combat, that's huge. Let's go. I'm gonna take. I'll drop takedown. I don't like the idea because I am slower than I should be, so I don't think quick attack might be needed. Actually, I'm not realizing I probably should do the quick attack, but who cares? I don't care. I mean, sure. Okay. Can I use surf now or waterfall? I don't even have surf or waterfall. Waterfall's gotta be last though. Waterfall and rock climb. Oh, defog. I don't even have that either. I'll go grab that in between before the next episode. Brine. Oh, that's okay. Alright, guys. I'll see you when I see you. Be back with another episode probably tomorrow or the day after. Later, Guardians.